Let's talk business. Small businesses are set to get a new lifeline after the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry announced that they are in talks with several banks to lend credit at concessional rates. The Chamber's president, Richard Ngatia, notes that 150 billion shillings has been earmarked for SMEs to inject new funds to help them navigate through the harsh economic times.
Therefore, for us to make sure that we boost this economy, it will be important for us now we look at our neighboring countries and say, look, we need to expand our horizons. We need to go to other countries and see what do they need in terms of food, in terms of other items that we manufacture locally. Therefore, we are moving from being dependent to becoming interdependent. And for me, as the chairman of the 12 countries, we have prepared ourselves as the private sector to see how we can intertrade, how we can trade as these 12 countries, and more so also prepare ourselves for the African Continental Free Trade Area. We are also working very closely with EAC. And if you look at the population there,